Bluesky Social is a cutting-edge, decentralized social app designed to give users more control over their data and experience. Whether you're tired of traditional platforms or just looking to explore something new, Bluesky offers a fresh take on connectivity and freedom online. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install the Bluesky Social app, so just follow my steps. The app is available for both iPhone and Android, and I will leave the app download link in the description of this video if you're unable to find it in the App Store or the Google Play Store. So go over to the description of this video and check out the links. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open my App Store, but if you're on your Android device, go over to your Google Play Store and then go to the search bar. In the search, you'll want to type Bluesky and hit enter on your keyboard. You will then get a bunch of search results, but we are looking for an application that looks like this. The logo of the app is blue and it has a little butterfly icon, and that is the app which you want to download. Let's click on Get right here, and then wait a couple of minutes until the app downloads and installs onto our iPhone or Android device. That's essentially it, everyone. I will do more videos about Bluesky. I'll show you how to use it, how to post in the app, how to create an account, and many more things, so make sure to subscribe to Tutor so you don't miss out on those videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.